After I got the veneers, my level of confidence just skyrocketed because I was just very pleased with the outcome. Hi, my name is Mark, and I have come here for regular teeth cleaning. I've also had treatment for a tooth implant, and most recently, I had veneers put on my teeth. At Inspiring Smiles, one thing that I really do appreciate beyond the friendly and educated staff is that they have advanced technology. In particular, the CBCT scanning equipment that they have is very thorough, it's non-invasive, and it was just very quick and easy. They just do whatever they can to put you in a place of comfort and virtually pain-free. I would recommend Inspiring Smiles for dental treatment. The staff and doctors are very friendly, very courteous. You feel like you're part of the family here.